fall when you're standing. Come on. Get you situated. Yeah, using Daddy for support. Look at you, doing so well. Can you float to the side?
Show her sitting up.
Oh! You can't fall on your head, little girl.
She just drooled everywhere.
Oh, she's good at that game. I see it.
It's still coming out.
You're still coming out. Where's the rag?
The one that he's laying on it?
Awesome. Don't pause. You got some on your foot. Look at that. And on your hand. Goodness, everywhere.
But Grandma, this is just for you. I'll just spit up in the world.
Yay, the world. We like the world. Pissed. Come on. There we go.